If you're involved with in a collision with a big rig or an 18-wheeler, typically those cases involve much bigger injuries than, say, an auto versus auto collision. If a big rig or tractor trailer jackknifes as a result of the driver's negligence or the driver's fault, and you're involved in a collision with that jackknife big rig, then you can recover damages from the big rig and or his company. If you're involved in a collision with a big rig and it's a big rig's fault, then you can seek compensation from not only the driver but also the owner of that truck. In the last almost 20 years here at Estey and Bomberger, we've handled dozens and dozens of trucking accident cases, and most of these cases involved, unfortunately, catastrophic injury or death scenarios. And so from these cases we've learned a number of things. We have all the top experts in the trucking field, and we know how to go out and reconstruct the accident, and typically we can find, in the discovery process, we can find violations that the trucker or trucking company has engaged in. The Department of Transportation governs truckers, and there are a number of regulations that truckers are required to comply with. And typically in these cases, and in most of these cases, we find that they're out of compliance in a number of areas, which has ultimately led to my client's death or catastrophic injury.
At Estey and Bomberger, all of our cases are handled on a contingency fee basis, which means that if we don't recover any money on your behalf, there's no fee for our services. If we take your case, we work on your case, and we incur thousands of dollars of money on your case, but we don't recover anything on your behalf, there's no fee for our services.